Hello everyone. So today in this video you are going to learn about SQL Server error list, like how to increase the error list count or how to decrease the error list count in on the SQL Server window. Okay, so whenever you open the SQL Server using SSMS, so like it will throw some errors. Let's say if it throws some error, so you can increase or decrease that count by using some properties. So let's go ahead. For that you need to navigate to the debug menu, and here you are able to see you can able to see options. So under the options you have to check for SQL Server tools. Okay, so under the SQL Server tools you have errors and warnings. Under this you can select, I mean, you can just give your own or custom size as well. Oh sorry, it's not the custom size. So you have a specific size here to give. So maximum number of errors and warnings to display per project. Okay, so for one project, let's say I'm going to display as it's a maximum is 200, or you know I'm just giving for 203 as a maximum. And you can just give, I mean, limit the size of the database models as well. Okay, this maybe it is not much useful, but the SQL Server, this maximum number of errors and warnings will be definitely useful, because sometimes you wanted to check all the errors or all the warnings. Okay, if you have 300 errors, so you can increase the limit, and you can just set this limit so that you will be able to see all the errors related to the project. Okay, this is how you can limit. Thank you so much guys, subscribe for more videos. Bye.